Hey guys, Sean here with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. Here in Deland, Florida on a new construction project. We've been working with this general contractor here for about the last month and a half. Because what's different with new construction is you can't just come in and do the roof, the deck, the underlayment, the shingles, and everything all in a day or two. It's a process. They had to put the deck on. Once the deck was installed, then we came back and did our underlayment. And then before we put the shingles on, the general contractor here had all the siding installed, all the paint done on the siding. That way, when we install our shingles, the shingles stay nice and fresh. Nobody's gonna touch the shingles. That's why we want to do the shingles last. That's what we're here doing today. Let me show you around and show you what we got. Let's go. Here's the project we got here, guys. You can see maybe in the video, we've got all our guys harnessed up, roped off, because this roof is quite steep, you might be able to tell. They're rocking and rolling, got a good section of the front of the house here finished. The front porch right above the front door, at the bottom of that dormer window you can see, that's gonna be a metal roof. It's gonna be a beautiful accent. We manufactured that metal ourselves. Our metal crew will be out here this afternoon to install the metal porch. And this roof will be done within probably the next 2 days, and they can keep rocking and rolling on building this beautiful house. Guys, there you have it. It's a beautiful project, as you can see. I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, a lot of roofing companies, they'll say, oh, we specialize in shingles, or we specialize in flat roofs or tile. But here at XLR8 Roofing, we specialize in everything. From new construction like this all the way to old 100-something-year-old historic houses. We can handle it all. Flats roofs, metal roofs, shingle roofs, tile roofs. We can do it all from A to B, top to bottom. So give us a call here at XLR8 Roofing, and we'll see you guys when this project's wrapped up.